Today, I'm gonna try a life hack to see if I can make this wrinkly shirt wrinkle-free. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have this dress shirt. It's been folded up here, and it is very wrinkly. This is actually a brand new shirt, and this is how it came after I unboxed it. And you can see wrinkles everywhere. Arms, front, obviously the back too. If you were to wear this, people would be like, what, did you just sleep in that thing? So I actually heard of a life hack where you put this and a couple of ice cubes into the dryer and it will get out all the wrinkles. So I thought, why not try it? All right, so I'm at my dryer here and I think it's as simple as throwing in the article of clothing that you want to get rid of the wrinkles. I have 2 of these small automatic ice cubes here that were in my freezer. I'm gonna break these apart just so that they are separated. Just gonna put 2 in there. I think you can actually put multiple articles of clothing in there. And so what I'm gonna do here is just turn the temperature up and set this on drying for only about 30 minutes. I don't know that I'll need that long, but I'm gonna check on it in about 10 or 15 minutes. So it's only been about 5 minutes now, and you could really hear those ice cubes tumbling and rattling in here. And after about 5 minutes, it's apparently heated up so that they are gone or something because it's quiet now. So hopefully that melted ice is penetrating the clothes, getting out those wrinkles, and hopefully drying it off now. So we'll see in 5 more minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and I'm gonna go ahead and interrupt this and just see what we've got going on here. So I'm gonna pull out the shirt, and what we have here is a warm shirt for sure. And look at this. I mean, it doesn't look like it was just pressed, but all those big wrinkles, especially here on the sleeves, you can still see some of the remnants. So I don't know, maybe an extra ice cube in there wouldn't hurt. But per garment, 2 ice cubes seem to make pretty good progress here on the back. I mean, that looks pretty good. If I were about to wear this, I could definitely wear this without being completely embarrassed now. And even here on the front, again, this looks pretty good. Again, some remnants here, but if I were hard pressed, if I didn't have anything ironed and I was about to head out the door and I couldn't bust out my ironing board, you're getting ready for an event, you're trying to get dressed, get ready, you don't have time to just spend ironing something like this, throwing a garment in your dryer with probably a few ice cubes might get your clothes looking pretty passable. So this could be a lifesaver. If it's gonna save the day for you, I would try it. Ice cubes, dryer, clothes, wrinkle-free. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever.